Hello Quarantinians and welcome na naman dito sa episode namin kung saan magtuturo kami kung paano namin ginawa yung effects nung last vlog namin. So, yung last vlog, ang ginawa namin, dinuplicate namin si Jay 3 times. So, kung gusto nyo matutunan yon today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel.
Tutulungan tayo ng aking assistant, si Jay! Alright!
So thank you very much. So I'm Chef Jay together with my assistant Jay and together with Salty Jay. So again, please like, subscribe, and share our channel.
So ayan, nakita ninyo yung video ni Chef Jay, ni Assistant Jay, and ni Salty Jay. Ayan. So sa mga very curious kung paano namin ginawa yun, this is the right video for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's start now. Okay. So step number 1, it's very important to plan your shoot. So first, kailangan mo isipin kung ano yung location na isushoot mo and then kung paano mangyayari sa shoot. So katulad ng ginawa namin dito kay Chef Jay, bali may isang part lang kami kung saan magduduplicate ng 3 times. So sa kitchen yun. Now, if you're shooting, kailangan mag-create na kayo ng, what do you call this, ng boundary. And just like this one, di ba, sinut namin si Jay na ganito. So, it's very important while shooting, dapat meron ka lang parang imaginary boundary mo kung hanggang saan lang gagalaw si Jay. So, hanggang saan lang siya pwede at hindi siya pwede dapat lumagpas kasi doon mo ipapasok yung mga iba pang Jays. So, for this footage, ang ginawa ko, ang boundary niya, kasi papasok si Salty Jay on this side, tapos papasok naman si Assistant Jay on this side. So, while shooting, kailangan meron na akong boundary. So, parang ang ginawa kong boundary dito, I think is this one. Ayan. So, nakikita niyo yung line. So, hanggang dyan lang siya pwede gumalaw. And then, dito, more on, parang if you can see this one, yung shadow ng, yan, yung shadow ng microwave, pababa, parang ganyan. So, ano lang yan, imaginary lang naman yan. Hindi man kailangan na parang, kailangan ganyan na ganyan. Basta it's very important na sabihin mo sa subject mo, or kaya kay, yan, sa artista mo, na huwag siya lalagpas dyan while shooting. Okay, another technique na ginawa din namin, especially this segment na nag-uusap si Assistant Jay and Chef Jay. If hindi nyo mapapansin, meron akong marker dito while shooting. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. This one. Ayan. So ito, actually masking tape yan. Yan yung marker namin. And then, lagi ko sinasabi kay Jay na huwag siyang lalagpas dyan sa marker na yan. Kasi pag lumagpas siya dyan, malalagpasan niya yung footage ni Assistant Jay. Okay? So, later on, mas maintindihan ninyo yung sinasabi ko. Pero it's very important while shooting na kailangan maging smooth and clean na rin siya. Then, it's also important, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo, you have to use a tripod or kaya kailangan maipatong ninyo yung camera ninyo in a very stable na patungan. Kasi hindi pwede gumalaw yung footage ninyo. Kasi once na nakita gumalaw yan, mahalata yung pagpatong ng ating isang layer. So, for example, I'll show you this one. Ayan. So, pinatong ko si Assistant Jay. Okay, this is very rough lang ha. This is raw. So, ang ginawa ko, ayan. So, nakikita niyo, ito si Assistant Jay, tapos ito si Salty Jay. Si Salty Jay ang pinaka-main natin. So, ang i-adjust natin, itong si Assistant Jay. So, let's go here, edit, sa FX control, there, and then make sure to click this layer. Yan. Then, pupunta tayo dito sa opacity, and then, pwede natin i-click to, yung 4 point, ayan, may square. So, ito-drag lang natin on the side kung saan si Assistant Jay, and then we drag down. Ayan. So, nakikita ninyo, di ba? Na nagpakita na si Assistant Jay sa video natin. Ayan. So, pag naka-tripod kayo, it's very, very smooth. May kita ninyo yung background ninyo na hindi siya gumalaw halos, di ba? Walang difference. Kahit mawala or what. Pero you will see a little bit yan, katulad neto, yung reflection ni Assistant J, lalabas dyan. Ngayon, imagine na kunwari yung footage mo is unstable. Kunwari gumagalaw siya, so gawa natin ng effect na gumagalaw. Let's say ganyan. Ayan. Yan. Then may kita nyo na hindi siya, ayan, mahahalata siya. So it's very, very important na meron siyang tripod. Kundi, ito ang makukuha ninyong results. So ayaw natin yon. Okay. Pagtapos nyo na mag-shoot, pasok na tayo dito sa Premiere Pro. Ayan, meron tayong main na footage. Ang main natin ay si Chef J. So, siya yung dapat nasa pinakababa. Then, ang mga pinatong lang natin, let's say si Assistant J. Lagyan natin sa ibabaw. Ayan. And si Salty J. Sa ibabaw ulit. Now, you don't need the audio ng footages na yan. Kasi ang nagsasalita lang naman dito ay si Chef J. Alright? Now, i-hide muna natin si Salty J. Let's start muna tayo dito kay Assistant J. Now, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, just go to opacity. Then you can click this one para magkaroon ng square. This is para mas mabilis. Pero you can do the free draw para mas ma-detailed ang pagka-mask ninyo. Okay? So, siguro I'll choose this one na lang para it's easier. Since meron na akong parang barrier or margin kung hanggang saan lang siya gagalaw. Alright? So, just stretch it out. Ayan. So, ang ginawa ko yata dito sa dulo ng if you can see yung jug. Yan. Now, para hindi halata, kasi may times na ganito magiging itsura niya. So, may kita ninyo, di ba, parang napaka-harsh nung line. So, halatang-halata siya. Pero dito sa Premiere kasi, you can add feather. So, if I add the feather a little bit, medyo magva-vanish siya. So, hindi na halata. Alright? Then, next one. Same thing na gagawin natin kay Salty J. Ayan. So, add lang tayo dito ulit sa opacity. Let's add a mask. Ayan. Then, kay Salty J naman tayo. Ang pinaka-barrier ko sa kanya, I think this one yung sa ref. Yan, we just put it down. Pero sabi ko diba sa ref, pero may kita niyo putol si Salty J. So we could adjust it naman a little bit para buo siya. There. So you can add points dito anytime. Just click on it. Antayin nyo lang na mag-change yung cursor. Then you can click on it. Ayan. There. Then, we adjust again yung feather para hindi halata yung pagkahati niya. There. Yeah. Very easy.
Okay, so there you have it. Ito yung ating final product.
Okay. So, nakita niyo gumalaw si Salty J. Then, nag-vanish a little bit. Okay. Ang pwede natin gawin dito is to animate our mask. So, ang gagawin natin, we go here again. So, click natin yung layer ni Salty J. Then, we go here to Effects Control. Then, click Mask para ma-reveal ito. Now, let's zoom in a little bit. There. And as you can see, diba? Ayan, nag-vanish a little bit yung kamay niya. So, pwede tayo mag-animate dyan. I-move natin yung mask natin. Kung paano yung kamay niya. So, let's create, ayan, maglagay tayo ng point dito. Then, for the mask path, gawa tayo ng ating toggle animation. So, we toggle that one para yun yung starting point natin. And then, kapag nag-move siya, okay, let's move. Click on the mask. And then, adjust lang natin ng konti para lang ma-reveal. Adjust again. Ayan. Kita natin medyo nag-blur na naman. So, let's add another cursor. Tapos, move lang natin a little. And then, purong ulit. Ayan, gumalaw siya sa taas. Kasi ang magiging itsura niyan, parang putol. So, halata. So, we move this one. Yan. And then, onti na lang. Yan, adjust lang natin. And, ayan. So, punta tayo sa fit. Now, let's see kung anong ginawa natin.
Final product.
Yon. So, hindi na halata. Kita nyo?
Final product. So, sa lahat ng gusto ng fried,
Alright. So, ganun lang basically ang ginawa namin dito sa aming cooking show with Chef Jay, Assistant Jay, and Salty Jay. So, I hope you guys learned something. It's very, very easy, lalo na dito sa Premiere Pro. Just don't forget to use the mask, and it's very, very important na kailangan i-plan muna yung shoot ninyo kung paano ninyo gagawin. And then, pag kunwari nabuo na ganyan, saka na lang natin pwede lagyan ng kung ano-ano pang elements para mas maging maganda pa yung ating footage. So, I hope you guys enjoyed and learned. Ayan. And also guys, we would like to thank sa mga taong nag-comment sa amin on our last editing vlog. So thank you very much for watching, and we hope that you learned a lot. So hopefully magamit ninyo din to sa mga videos ninyo. So thank you very much for this episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed and learned. And if you have suggestions, just comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. Bye-bye!